here? Some scattered puzzle pieces that need to be solved. Oh, they disappeared. Help me find them and solve the puzzle. We have another puzzle to solve. This one is about some colorful bees that need to find their home. Let's go! Red bee goes to red honeycomb. Dark blue bee lives in dark blue honeycomb. Yellow bee lives in yellow honeycomb. Green bee lives in green honeycomb. Purple bee lives in purple honeycomb. Orange bee lives in orange honeycomb. Light blue bee lives in light... What did the bees give us? The first two puzzle pieces. It's number 1 and number 2. Let's start our puzzle and see what will come out. Can you make a guess? What is the puzzle? I will give you a hint. It's an animal. Yay, we already see maybe an eye, right? Let's find our next puzzle piece. But first, we need to solve this number puzzle. Let's go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What did the numbers puzzle give us? The next puzzle pieces? It's number 3 and number 4. Let's say them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. The puzzle is coming together. Do you know the animal yet? Or do you want the next hint? This animal can be our best friend. Let's start by solving this puzzle. We have some numbers on the puzzle pieces. Let's go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What did the truck puzzle give us? The next puzzle pieces. It's number 5 and number 6. Let's say them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's put them on the puzzle. It is coming together. Do you recognize the animal, or do you need more pieces? Next, we have a hand puzzle to solve. We need to put all the fingers and the palm as well. The pieces have numbers to make it easier for us. Let's start. We start with number 1. It's the pinky finger, and it's the color pink. Next is number 2. It's the index finger with the color magenta. Next is number 3. It's the middle finger with the color blue. Next is number 4. It's the index finger with the color light blue. Next is number 5. It's the thumb with the color dark green. Now we must put the pieces of the palm. Time for the other hand to be solved. Next is number 6. It's the thumb with the color light green. Next is number 7. It's the point finger with the color lime. Next is number 8. It's the middle finger with the color yellow. Next is number 9. It's the ring finger with the color orange. The pieces left are from the palm. Let's put them on their right places. Where's number 10? It's hiding up there. Let's place the last piece, the pinky with number 10 and color red. What did the hand puzzle give us? The next puzzle pieces. It's number 7 and number 8. Let's say them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The puzzle is coming together. Do you recognize the animal, or do you need more pieces? The head is almost done, right? We have our token box again. Let's put our tokens in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But something is blocking the way. Let's open it and see what is hiding inside. Let's see what is blocking the way. We have some more puzzle pieces. They are kind stuck in the box as well. It's number 9 and number 10. Let's put them on the puzzle next to the other numbers. Do you know them? Let's say them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. The puzzle is coming together, right? Do you recognize the animal now? How does this animal say? We have another puzzle to solve, and this one also has many interesting vehicles. Taxi, excavator, helicopter, train, dump truck, truck, bus, ship, rocket. What did the vehicles puzzle give us? Some more puzzle pieces. It's number 11 and number 12. Let's put them on the puzzle next to the other numbers. Do you know all the numbers by now? Let's say them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You must know the animal by now. Let's say it together. It's a dog. We have another puzzle to solve. This one involves some cute farm animals, but their heads are mismatched. We need to match the animal body with its head. Let's go. Good job. The sheep is done. The pig as well. Next one is the goat. Where is its head? Here it is. Next is the horse. Good job. The cat is ready as well. The rooster's head is on the right spot. Let's move the dog's head in order to free the cow. The cow goes to its body. And finally, the dog is on the right place. What did the farm animals puzzle give us? Some more puzzle pieces. It's number 13 and number 14. Let's put them on the puzzle next to the other numbers. Do you know them by now? Let's say them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. On to finding the next piece, we have to solve this vegetable puzzle first. Pepper, corn, cabbage, cucumber, potato, tomato, onion. The vegetable puzzle gave us number 15 and number 16. Let's put them on the puzzle next to the other numbers. Do you know them by now? Let's say them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Good job. The dog puzzle is done. Now, let's play a game. I will point a number and you will say it. Are you ready? Let's start. What is this number? It's number 1. How about this one? It's number 2. Do you know that one? It's number 3. And this one? It's number 4. And this? It's number 5. What about this one? It's number 6. What is this number? It's number 7. How about this one? It's number 8. Do you know that one? It's number 9. And this one? It's number 10. And this? It's number 11. What about this one? It's number 12. What is this number? It's number 13. How about this one? It's number 14. Do you know that one? It's number 15. And this one? It's number 16. Good job! We solved the dog puzzle and learned to count to 16. Subscribe to our channel for more puzzle solving videos.